Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Steam Link app not finding your PC using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your broken device links on your current setup session so your computer shows up clearly on your mobile screen. Step 1. Open your Master Settings panel on your main computer. The first step is to open the main configuration menu inside your game application window on the main computer that you want to stream from. Move your mouse pointer up to the top left corner of your screen workspace. Click once on the word Steam, look down the menu list to find the button labeled Settings and click on it. Watch for a large options panel filled with different preference rows to pop open right in the middle of your monitor screen view. Because you cannot fix a blind connection link if you skip the main configuration room, you have to open this central menu box so you can look at your active system sharing rules. Without this step, your computer will keep itself hidden away from your outside phone apps or television apps. Step 2. Turn on the main remote play feature switch. Next, you need to check your feature list inside that same options panel to make sure your computer is actually allowed to broadcast its screen image to other devices. Look at the left side list inside the open window, click on the row that says Remote Play, move your mouse over to the very top checkbox option and click it once to make sure it is turned on. Verify that the primary option row lights up with a bright background or a clear checkmark, confirming the sharing assistant is wide awake. Because if this master switch is left turned off in your profile files, the software engine will instantly block any outside screens from seeing your computer. Turning this on tells the computer that it is perfectly safe to talk to your phone app. Without this switch active, your streaming app will keep searching forever and find nothing at all. Now, you need to use the manual connection tool to bypass the automatic network search and link your phone app straight to your computer using a short matching number. Click the button that says Pair Steam Link inside your computer settings menu, look at the 4-digit number that pops up on your phone screen, type those exact numbers into your computer box, and press Enter. Watch for your phone device name to appear instantly inside your computer's connected devices list flat against your background canvas. Because automatic network searches often get blocked by background security walls or router bugs, by typing a direct matching code into the typing bar, you force both machines to lock hands immediately across the network line. It is the key step to getting the right output because it drops the sloppy guesswork and forms a solid, permanent bridge between your two screens. And that's it. To fix Steam Link app not finding your PC, you must first click on Steam and open your settings panel at the top of your screen. Then you move your mouse to the remote play row and ensure the master switch is checked on your screen rows. Next, you click Pair Steam Link and type in the 4-digit code from your phone to force a manual connection link. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.